A water treatment plant operator is responsible for operating and maintaining water treatment facilities, ensuring the water produced meets quality standards and regulations, and monitoring equipment and processes. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the job description. Key responsibilities: operating and monitoring equipment. Operators run and monitor pumps, filters, valves, and other equipment to control the water treatment process. Ensuring water quality: they monitor water quality parameters, pH, turbidity, chlorine levels, etc., to ensure the water is safe for consumption and meets regulatory standards. Performing maintenance: operators perform routine maintenance on equipment, making necessary repairs or adjustments, and ensuring equipment functions correctly and efficiently. Troubleshooting and problem solving: they identify and address operational problems, making recommendations for adjustments to maintain system balance. Record keeping: operators maintain detailed records of operations, maintenance activities, and water quality data. Following safety procedures: they adhere to strict safety protocols and regulations when operating equipment and handling chemicals. Testing water samples: they collect and test water samples to ensure compliance with regulations. Operating and controlling filtration, pumps, and valves: operators regulate the flow of raw water into the treatment plant. Preparing log sheets and work orders: operators prepare log sheets and work orders for servicing and repairs. What is the role of a water treatment operator? Water treatment plant and system operators run the equipment, control the processes, and monitor the plants that treat water to make it safe to drink. Wastewater treatment plant and system operators remove pollutants from domestic and industrial waste. What are the key responsibilities of a plant operator? Key responsibilities: their primary duty is to ensure that the machinery they operate is functioning correctly, efficiently, and safely. They are also responsible for monitoring equipment to identify any malfunctions or irregularities, performing routine maintenance, and making basic repairs or adjustments as needed. What is a WTP operator? The tasks a wastewater treatment plant operator is expected to perform include operating the sewage treatment, sludge processing and disposal equipment in wastewater, sewage treatment plant to control flow and processing of sewage. What is the role of water treatment? Water treatment ensuring access to clean water and avoiding contamination of rivers and seas. Water treatment is a process involving different types of operations: physical, chemical, physico-chemical and biological, the aim of which is to eliminate and or reduce contamination or non-desirable characteristics of water. What is the professional summary of a plant operator? Professional summary: an experienced plant operator with a proven track record of success in operating and maintaining plant systems and equipment. Skilled in troubleshooting and resolving issues in a timely manner to ensure efficient plant operations. What is the role of operator responsibility? Operator responsibility encompasses all the tasks and competencies necessary to avert any hazards and prevent damage during the property's overall operation. Who is water plant operator? Water treatment plant operators monitor water quality parameters such as pH, turbidity, and chlorine levels to ensure that water is safe for consumption. They also test water samples to ensure that they meet regulatory standards for drinking water quality. What is WTP functions? Mechanism and functions of WTP: intake and screening. The process begins with water being collected from a source. Coagulation and flocculation. In this step, chemicals called coagulants, like alum, are added to the water. Sedimentation, filtration, disinfection, pH adjustment and additives, storage and distribution. What is the scope of work of water treatment plant? The scope of work includes design, drawings, getting approvals from statutory bodies, construction and erection and commissioning of domestic sewage treatment plant with electrical, mechanical and piping. What are the 7 steps of water treatment? 7 steps of water purification. Ion exchange and coagulation. The ion exchange and coagulation phase is the initial aspect of the water purification process. Sedimentation, filtration and granular activated carbon. Disinfection, carbon filters. Reverse osmosis, store purified water. What are the 5 stages of water treatment? AI overview. The 5 stages of water treatment are screening, coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Screening removes large floating materials like leaves, twigs, and rags. Protects the main parts of the treatment plant and helps them function properly. Coagulation neutralize the negative charge of dirt and dissolved substances. Involves adding chemicals with a positive charge to the water, like iron and certain salts. Sedimentation allows large flocks to settle out of the water. Water is held in a tank for several hours after coagulation and flocculation. Filtration removes impurities from water by passing it through a filter. Filters can be made of sand, charcoal, or ceramic. Removes impurities like sediment, bacteria, and some viruses. Disinfection eliminates harmful bacteria, viruses, and other health-threatening microorganisms. Vital to ensuring the safety of the water. The level of treatment required depends on the water's intended use and the environment it will be discharged into. What is the main purpose of a water treatment plant? Water treatment helps in removing contaminants and hazardous substances from the water, making it clean and safe to drink and be used for other purposes. Kindly listen carefully. If we cross 1K subscribers, after that there will be special gift and many more things for my all subscribers. So like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. 3 free job at Jamshedpur 5862.